Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, turn on your Xbox and make sure it has the latest system update installed. You need the Wi-Fi network name and password in front of you because the console requires manual entry. Once done, press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System Settings, General Network Settings. Make sure wireless networking is enabled. If you see Ethernet active, unplug it so the console searches for wireless networks. This gets you to the step where the Xbox scans and lists available SSIDs. Once your network appears, select it and type the password exactly. Capitalization and special characters matter, so take a moment to verify. The Xbox does not support WPS, so manual entry is the only built-in option for Wi-Fi. After entering credentials, the console will attempt to authenticate and obtain an IP address automatically via DHCP. If you need a fixed address or custom DNS for speed or parental controls, choose Advanced Settings and enter manual IP and DNS values. Then save and continue to connection testing. Finish by running Network Test Network Connection. That confirms IP, DNS, and internet reachability. If the test reports successful but you still have issues, install any pending system updates and reboot the Xbox to clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console won't connect, power cycle the router and the Xbox. Unplug each for 30 seconds, then restart the router first and the Xbox next. Also check the router's band. Try the other band, signal strength, and any MAC.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.